Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we are taking a look quickly at the daily chart first. Here on this chart, you can clearly see that one more high is required pretty much to fulfill the overall wave count. At least it would be ideal. I mean, technically, actually, we've already formed a higher high here, right? On the 20th of January. Could that be it? Could that be the bull market top? Well, technically, yes. But it would take a break below 69.4K to confirm that further is far away, which is why I said the risk is high at the moment overall, because if we just break below the previous swing lows, which formed, or the previous swing low that formed mid-January, I would first see this as an extension of wave 4. Yeah. So, but at the moment, the idea is that this wave 4 actually bottomed, that we are actually in the 5th wave up, and it could take us towards 130K. So still looking for overall higher prices, but today the market has mainly moved sideways. Okay, bleeding a little bit at the moment, nothing major, nothing. Where's the excitement from the last few days? Seems like the market needs a bit of a break. So we'll see what happens later in the week. But for now, the focus is on higher prices on the daily time frame, on the smaller time frame as well. But the pullback is still unfolding. So we'll take a look at the shorter time frame now. And all the parameters we talked about in the previous update are still relevant. Specifically at the moment, the blue scenario is still leading. But this year, due to, all the stuff that happened around the Trump coins and all the stuff around inauguration, well, it so far has been a volatile week. But as you can clearly see, it hasn't really changed anything. The market is still holding above 99K support, which is this one here, the 78.6 retracement of the rally that started on the 16th of January and finished a day later. That's the key support level for the blue scenario. And you can clearly see, even though we haven't really broken out to the upside yet, the market is starting to feel quite good in the 100K area, apparently. And also, it's been, we have seen the price respect those levels really well. Reversal here on Monday, another attempt on Monday, and another attempt on Tuesday, and now we see a pullback. So what I communicated earlier today was that this move to the upside that started on Tuesday, I wanted to see for further confirmation that it's actually bottomed in circle wave 2 there, which is a corrective pullback. From an Elliott Wave point of view, a wave 2 is a corrective pullback. For further confirmation, I wanted to see one more high in what I've labeled wave 1. Yeah, we wanted to see one more high. That didn't happen, so I said, okay, visually I can already identify 5 waves up, but I don't trust it, and it's a less, let's say, a less probable scenario. It's not very reliable, but still I wanted to give you a support area to watch, for a potential reversal. So far, it could have turned around here already. At around the 50% retracement, failed to do so, and now it's just dropping further. Next support is the 78.6 fib level of the upper support box. 101,600. Let's see if the market can find support there. At the moment, all I see are a few green candles. This here was earlier today already a micro, maybe a nano 5-wave move up, but it was really, really a small wave degree and time frame, so not really reliable at all. So that leaves us with a potential 1-2 setup where the wave 2 is now deep in support. It's also not very reliable, or it's not really a high probability pattern. But as long as we're holding above 101,600, break above roundabout 107,300, the market should be on its way to 113K next. If it goes lower, then it's likely that at least circle 2 is still unfolding, maybe the yellow wave 2, which allows for a deeper correction. But, and this is where it gets important, as long as we are holding above 92,620, which is the 78.6 retracement of the rally from the 13th of January low, the assumption is that a wave 4 indeed bottomed there on the 13th of January. Very important. Any break below 99K would allow us to understand that yellow is leading, not blue. So the yellow count allows for that deeper correction. But both are bullish scenarios. So it's just a matter of where does the market react. The levels are all on the chart to watch. I mean, for anything else, you need a crystal ball, but the levels were respected before. Let's see if the market can turn around again and make another rally attempt, which in the next move up could be a third wave. Okay, which could then take us to around about 113K. But I guess the next sessions should give us some clarity there. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.